Behind these walls lies one of the most complex leather manufacturing processes in the world.
This is where raw cow skin begins its journey toward million-dollar leather products.
From raw material to refined luxury, every step is carefully controlled.
Cow leather remains the backbone of premium jackets, shoes, bags, and furniture worldwide.
These products generate millions, but their story begins much earlier.
Welcome to our facility. Today, we'll show you how cow skin is transformed into world-class leather.
Every stage is designed to preserve strength, flexibility, and natural character.
Precision matters. Even the smallest imbalance can affect leather quality.
Only the finest cow hides pass through every stage of this factory.
This is not mass production by own. It's controlled craftsmanship. In the next few minutes, you'll see the complete journey.
A process refined over decades.
Step by step, no shortcuts.
Let's begin with the first and most critical stage.
Raw cow skin selection and preparation.
The cow leather journey begins long before production, with controlled sourcing and transport.
These raw cow hides arrive as carefully handled byproducts of the food industry. Even at delivery, temperature control protects the hide's natural fiber structure.
This is the first checkpoint inside the cow leather factory.
Every cowhide is digitally registered for full process traceability.
Moisture content determines how the cowhide will react during tanning. Inspectors examine thickness, grain uniformity, and natural markings.
This natural grain is what gives cow leather its strength and durability. No detail is overlooked at this stage. Only approved cow hides move forward.
These hides now enter the preparation flow.
Cold storage prevents bacterial growth before cleaning.
Environmental conditions are logged for consistency. This stabilization phase prepares the hides for washing.
Maintaining flexibility is critical at this stage. Strict hygiene ensures uncontaminated processing.
This marks the transition into active processing.
Next comes cleaning, a triglyph, the foundation of quality cow leather. Only controlled, chemical-free water is used initially.
Proper alignment protects the hide fibers.
Everything is ready for cleaning.
Thickness consistence defines premium cow leather. Clean handling protects material integrity.
This batch is cleared.
Phase 1 concludes as cleaning begins. The hides are now ready for transformation.
Speed and timing are precisely controlled.
This scale ensures consistent output.
Phase 2 begins here.
Cleaning is the first active step in transforming raw cow skin into usable leather.
This stage removes dirt, salt, and natural impurities from the cowhide. Every cleaning cycle is digitally monitored for precision. Water pressure is carefully controlled to protect the cow leather fibers.
This scale allows continuous cow leather processing without interruption.
Once cleaned, the hides regain natural softness. Descaling removes remaining hair and surface proteins. This process must be gentle to preserve the grain layer. Too much pressure can permanently damage cow leather. Rinsing ensures no residual remains on the surface. The hides are now ready for tanning, the most critical phase. Tanning stabilizes the cow skin and prevents decay.
Exact chemical balance defines final leather quality.
Tanning begins with slow, controlled movement. This process bonds tanning agents deep into the hide fibers. Even small changes can alter cow leather texture. Every batch is fully documented. Tanning can take hours depending on leather grade. Texture and absorption are constantly checked. The tanning phase reaches completion. At this stage, cow skin officially becomes leather.
Excess tanning agents are removed safely.
Handling remains careful to avoid stretching.
The transformation is already visible.
Thickness consistency is verified again.
This batch passes tanning quality standards.
Next comes drying and color development. This space prepares leather for finishing.
Airflow must be uniform across all cow leather sheets.
This stage preserves flexibility. Timing is everything. Phase 2 reaches completion.
The leather is now stable and ready for finishing. Next, appearance and color take shape. Drying is where cow leather stabilizes and prepares for finishing. Controlled airflow prevents cracking and uneven shrinkage. Humidity and temperature define leather softness.
Even airflow ensures consistent drying across every hide.
This process can take several hours, depending on thickness. The natural grain structure becomes more visible. Once dried, the leather is ready for color treatment. Grading ensures uniform dye absorption.
Color formulation is a precise science.
Each shade is calibrated for cow leather absorption.
Dyeing gives cow leather its final identity. Rotation ensures deep, even color penetration. Timing determines shade depth and consistency.
Samples are checked continuously.
Color now lives within the leather fibers.
Secondary drying locks in the color.
Balance between moisture and flexibility is crucial.
Sensors confirm readiness for finishing.
Finishing smooths and protects the surface.
This enhances durability and appearance. A protective layer seals the surface. Gloss levels vary depending on final product use.
Visual inspection ensures uniform color.
Flexibility defines premium cow leather.
The grain tells the story of quality.
Leather is now ready for cutting and shaping.
The next phase focuses on precision.
Design meets craftsmanship here.
Only approved leather moves forward.
Phase 3 concludes.
Precision tools are essential.
Accuracy prevents material waste. The final transformation begins next. Cutting defines shape and purpose. Precision now takes center stage. Phase 4 begins.
Cutting is where raw material becomes structured components.
Every cowhide has a unique shape and grain.
Thickness consistency is checked before cutting.
Digital scanning maps usable leather zones. Software reduces waste and maximizes yield. Some cuts still rely on human judgment. Precision begins before the blade touches leather. Industrial cutters deliver clean, accurate edges. Cow leather demands controlled force. Human control prevents costly mistakes. Small parts are die cut for speed. Every cut must be identical.
Organization maintains production flow.
Edge quality determines stitching strength.
Defective cuts are immediately removed. Nothing goes to waste.
Tracking ensures full traceability.
Each piece is digitally recorded. Panels are grouped for assembly. Material flows seamlessly between departments. These marks guide stitching accuracy.
Millimeter errors are unacceptable.
Patterns translate design into reality. The jacket begins to take shape.
Symmetry defines premium craftsmanship.
Panels are protected before stitching.
Phase 5 begins. This is where cow leather becomes a finished product. Stitching cow leather demands power, control, and experience.
Every seam must handle years of stress.
Once stitched, leather can never be undone. Precision defines premium quality. Each station handles a specific section.
High-stress zones receive reinforced stitching.
Machines are adjusted for cow leather thickness. Thread strength is matched to leather weight.
This is where form begins to emerge.
Internal seams are reinforced for longevity.
Small details define luxury leather.
The jacket now holds its identity.
Stitch tension is manually verified.
Nothing imperfect is allowed.
Hardware installation follows exact alignment. Zippers must withstand constant tension.
Hardware is pressure tested.
Comfort meets durability. The internal architecture is revealed.
Final inspection begins.
Balance and fit are essential.
Stress testing ensures longevity.
Leather is conditioned before delivery.
The transformation is complete. Consistency defines mass luxury.
Each product is certified. Preparation for packaging.
Protection preserves finish.
Ready for global distribution. These products travel worldwide.
From factory to market.
The journey continues.
All from raw cow skin.
A process built on precision. Built to last. Built to last.
This is craftsmanship. The craftsmanship.
From raw material to luxury. Subscribe for more inside looks at how the world is made.